So they have a brain imaging lab in front of me here. I really want my brain imaged. Hey, what's up you guys? BigZ in this one, and right now I'm at the University of Toronto Scarborough campus. They have like a University of Toronto has like 3 campuses: main campus, Scarborough campus, and Mississauga campus. So I'm in the Scarborough campus here, and it looks beautiful here. I'm at like behind me you see there's a soccer field, and there's a Miller Lash house here. We're gonna go check it out right now. So in front of me is the Miller Lash house, and I'm gonna go up the stairs now. This area is nice. It seems pretty nice. And it's dead. They're saying main entrance is this way. Is it even open? That's the question. Pretty sure it's not. Won't open. Nope. Oh, it does. This one actually opens. The heck? But I'm sure this is not gonna open. Nope. It's not opening. They have like a fountain thing here. Just walk around a bit. So if you see behind me, you'll notice that it says site visits are by appointments only. Oh well. If you want an appointment, call 416-287-7000. Or you can email them at millerlash@utsc.utoronto.ca. That's that. So that's the bungalow basically. Looks nice, right? Look at those stones here. And you have the shrubs and herbs going over. Look at that. Beautiful, right? And this is like a jungle area in front of me. Interesting. So there's a path here that will take you to the main campus. Let's go. I really want to check out the main campus today because I'm going to leave town tomorrow. So let's go. So if you look behind me, you'll see a bridge. Looks like that's the way to the main campus. That's what they're saying. So yeah, let's go check out the main campus. I'm on the bridge here, and the views are not so bad. They have like a river or a, I don't know, pond, ravine maybe, and that is what it's looking like here. Let's see what U of T Scarborough campus has to offer. So this is a path through the woods. If you see behind me, you see some people, some kids and their parents. Right, I don't know how long the walk is gonna be, but it's okay. I can walk a bit today. So right now I have some stairs in front of me, and they're saying the main campus is this way. So let's go. So as you can see, we are almost here. I'm just gonna go up these stairs here, and the campus is right over there. See? So I have gone up the stairs and I'm here at the campus. They have some sort of, what is this called? Statue? It's not a statue. A structure. They have a structure here. Not sure what it is all about. They have something written there. Let's go have a look. So I'm by the science wing here. Behind me, you see that? And they have written something. They have something written here. It says this is not an entrance, but let me try open the door anyway. Okay, here, I'll show you. It says this is not an entrance. See? Not an entrance. Not an entrance. But let me open it. See what happens. What? It opened. Let's go in then. Looks nice. Look at that. Look at this. Not bad. So here's the science wing. It's empty. Not a single person here. Just me, myself, and I. So I saw two students and I nodded at them. I think they're waiting up there somewhere. But let me just go the other way, okay? And here are the desks. Looks like they don't want anyone to study here anymore. You know, but I've seen students though. That's the interesting part. Look at that. The hallway is like all desks basically on top of each other. So they have a brain imaging lab in front of me here. I really want my brain imaged. Let me try opening it. See if the door opens. Let's go. Here. Damn. Can't get my brain imaged. Horrible. So they have the UTSC observatory this way. Let's go up, see what's happening up here. It's actually quite a bit up, but let's go anyway. And then it's quite a bit down there too. But I'm on this floor. I came in through these doors here. But let's go up anyway. The hallway here is much narrower. And you can tell, I mean, I don't have much space here. And they say it's right here. Is it open? That's the question. Oh no. It's not. Look what they have here. They have some danger sign here. Damn. And they have also some sort of wiring here. Not good for me. We're just gonna head down now. That's it. Can't get onto the observatory. What can you do? So I'm gonna head down to the main auditorium here. Just wanna have a feel. Haven't been inside of a university in a long time. Wow. Totally empty. It's totally empty here. See? It's totally empty. Interesting. Very interesting. So I'm in another building now. It looks different, you can tell. And it is much newer. They have the Academic Resource Center here. Here. Can you see? Academic Resource Center. Oh, and that's the Tim Hortons right there. Huh. Interesting. They have Doris McCarthy Gallery. Female washroom there. And yeah, it's empty. It's like totally dead. So yeah, I'm still in the building. I saw like two students and that's basically it. No one's here. But I got in. I don't know how I got in. I'm not supposed to be in. What is it? What's happening? Someone's doing breakdancing out here. What the hell? So I've exited through the humanities wing and it's totally empty. It's totally dead. I only see some vehicles over there. And that's basically it. I don't see any more students. Oh, I saw someone walking there. That way. But yeah, that's basically it. It's dead. It's empty here. So that is it for this video. Stay tuned for my next video for the wrap up of my Scarborough trip. And thank you very much for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe. BigZ out.